In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the permalinks on your WordPress website. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your WordPress website and you want to log in. Then you go to the website itself, just like I did. And this is the website. I haven't edited anything, it's just the default website. And then you can go to your website name and then hit dashboard. Go down to settings. This is a tab with all different kind of options, and you want to go to the settings tab. Click on it, and now you want to go down again till you see permalinks. So these are the permalink settings, and as you can see, the default option is plain, which says some random letters for a page. I personally prefer a post name because you can see the post name and can see by the link what the page is about. But if you prefer month and name, numeric, day and name, you can also change it to that. I personally use post name and then hit save changes. And now you change the permalinks settings. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.